My thing to do today? Make spinach turkey burgers. Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome to My Things to Do, and today my thing to do is to make ground turkey for some turkey hamburgers. If you've seen some of my videos, then you know that I like taking a whole pork shoulder, cutting that up into several different meals, and including grinding up some of that pork for either a burger or any other thing, meatballs maybe. Well, today it's going to be turkey. I love ground turkey. I like ground chicken as well, but it is so expensive. And then go and buy the already seasoned ground turkey, forget about it. But this guy, and he's about 6 pounds. I paid $12.97 for it. I'm not going to need all 6 pounds of it. I'm going to go ahead and cut up what I am going to use for grinding up into turkey burgers. Or maybe in my case it'll be more like a turkey steak because we're going to eat these turkey burgers without the bun. Seasoned, by the way, I'm going to season it as I grind. So I've already put my seasonings in the bowl. This is the one time you don't want to be scared of seasonings, okay? I'm going to go ahead and mix that all around. And if you've got some finicky people at home that don't like to eat vegetables, especially anything green, this is the perfect time to sneak that in. I've got some spinach over here I'm going to add in. In my house we don't have that problem. Everybody loves spinach, but it's the perfect time to add that in. No, it's not going to mix very well right now, but watch how it looks when it comes out. This is going to be awesome. Alright, I've got my grinder set and ready to go. Let's get to grinding. You see how it's coming out all mixed up together? Awesome! Look at how beautiful that looks. You see the green in there? That's the spinach. It's already ground up with the turkey meat. So is the seasoning. There's no need for me to season my meat now at all. Form my balls, form my patties, and get to cooking. Dinner's done, and here it is. This is my version of the somewhat kind of veggie burger. It's ground turkey with spinach and seasons ground into it. I made some mashed potatoes and gravy to go along with that. My turkey burger, my things to do. Make it your thing to do too. So I've got my turkey already cut up. I took 2 pounds of it and set it off to the side for me to go ahead and grind up today. This is my stock bag. In my stock bag right now I've got some chicken that I had cut up one day, and this is the bones left behind. Here is the bone that is left behind from my chicken breast and the chicken skin. I'm going to use this for my stock when I get ready to make it. In the meantime, it's going to go in the freezer. And I still had a decent sized breast left from what I had cut off. I don't feel like grinding all of it up right now, so I'm going to save this. Who knows, I might go ahead and slice it into really thin slices once it's frozen and use that to make some turkey sandwiches. What? Yeah, not any part of this is getting wasted, not a single thing. And as a bonus, in my turkey breast was this turkey gravy concentrate. It made me think of some other things that I'm going to do with dinner tonight. So I'll make a gravy to go along with my ground turkey. And let's see, I've got some potatoes. Hey, there we go. Dinner already set.